Hello there! So today I'm doing something special. I don't think I've ever done that before actually. So today I'm going for a walk in the streets of Rennes and I am going to do some street photography with only my phone. It's an iPhone 11 by the way. It's good but it's not the greatest and I'm also not taking any proper photography camera because you will see what I'm using right now. Hello baby! Isn't that great? Little button up top and you just in, out, out, in, out. Really just so convenient. Anyway, let's go now. I don't think I've actually answered this one at any point. Should I try today? It's open, look, maybe I should try today. It's 6:34 and I am back home, so I hope I managed to take some good photos with just my phone. Thank you for watching, I will see you tomorrow. Bye!